Hey, what's up? Thanks for tuning in. We've got an exciting show today. Runway ML's Gen 2 text-to-video is finally up and running. Let's check it out. If you don't have an account yet, head over to runwayml.com and you'll be given 125 credits for free to play with. Once you're on the homepage, select Introducing Gen 2. All you have to do now is type in your prompt to produce any kind of video you want. It's that easy. Let's see what a cyborg working on a laptop looks like. Pretty cool. Okay, let's see what happens when I upload a picture of myself with the prompt, a videographer filming a movie scene. Okay, let's call it a work in progress. At least I got my hair right. Let's try to upload another picture with the prompt, a pop star singing on stage at a concert. Wow, that is crazy. Okay, let's try something weirder. How about an elephant riding a bicycle up a hill? Alright, not exactly what I expected, but a pretty good attempt. Let's try one more. Sorry, I'm gonna upload a picture of me again and try again since that last time didn't really do me justice. I'm gonna put the prompt, a videographer filming a music video during an earthquake. Nice. Okay, I can live with that rendition of me. Well, I hope you enjoyed the show. Right now, it looks like Gen 2 will only allow 4 seconds of video, but I'm sure that will increase in the future. Thanks for watching, and hit that subscribe button if you want to see more. Catch you next time.